Hey guys, so today me and my sisters are going to make a slime. I'm going to make a slime. I'm going to show you guys how to make a not sticky slime. So this one is my third sister. This one is my last sister. Can you see your face?
I had two faces.
Okay, so my other sister is at her bedroom. So yeah, let's get started.
Bye.
So the things you're going to need is only one ingredient because it's not that stretchy. It's just not sticky. You just need body wash. I'm using this body wash. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm going to open is the cap or something. Can you hold it for me? Just hold it. And pour in something to mix in. I'm using a toothpick to mix with. Okay, just this. I'm using this much. There you go, you put back. Thank you. Okay, so let's mix it just a bit. And let's touch it. Just like a jelly, it didn't stick to your hands. This is super easy to make. You can make this any way you like. Oh my gosh, ah! Spills. Oh my gosh, it spills. Spills on the table. See, it spills on the table. Oh my god. I just threw that. This is super easy to make. Oh my gosh. So yeah. Done. I think it's done now. So let's touch this top. So see, it didn't sticky. It just didn't not stretchy.
Jolly fat man. Oh, hey, a jolly fat man.
So yeah. So thanks for watching once again. I'm so sorry because the video is so short. Yeah, just like that.